Morning, guys. We are ready. You'll be finishing up your unit test within the next week. And I want you, again, taking time with that. This is our new unit, and it's going to be adding two-digit numbers. So the first problem, I'm not going to give you a lot of direction. I just want to see how you would solve it. So I will read it to you. One day, Jack finds 27 cans to recycle. The next day, he finds 15 cans to recycle. How many cans does Jack find altogether? Well, altogether is our key word that tells us we are adding. So we're looking at our number of 27 and our number of 15 and putting those together. I would draw it, if it were me, I would draw it on scratch paper first. And then as you are building it here, you can make X's if you want. You could use a zero. You could use a letter, but something to show how you are solving that problem on the slide that you're going to create. And then after you do that, you're going to come back here. So this is basically going to help you know the answer, but I'm going to go through it anyway. So here's some ways to find 27 plus 15. So if we were in school, we could use our base 10 blocks. You can still make these. So these are our 10, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's our 27. There's a picture of it. And then we have 15. So we have our 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 10s and 7 ones, or 1 10 and 5 ones. And then when we put that together, we have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So here, when we are looking at this, we have 3 10s and 12 ones, which you would write. Now, our next phase of this is we can go and round them to 10s. So 27, if I round that 7 tells me to go up, it's almost 30. And then I would take my 30 plus my 10, which is from over here, and that would be 40. And 40 plus 2 equals 42. So here's another way it's written out. You have 20, you have 10, then you have 7, and you have 5, 42. So this is looking at this more, if that model helps you. Then it's going to ask you, why is adding 3, 10, and 2 the same as adding 15? So think about that. Why is adding those three numbers the same as adding 15? And then that will be for the next thing. This was kind of short, but you're just beginning to play with it. So again, draw your pictures, go back to this first page, do it yourself. What would it look like if you did this by yourself? And I can see most of you making a picture, making maybe a 10 frame, things like that, some strategies you know. Have a good day. I will see most of you in a little bit.